Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to manage your editorial calendar workflows using Todoist, the complete 2025 guide. First up, let's create a new project. Click the plus sign in the top right corner of your Todoist dashboard and name your project something like Editorial Calendar. Assigning tasks to a specific project helps keep your workspace organized and focused. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks. Each task should represent an individual piece of content you want to create. To add a task, simply click the Add Task button and type in the name of your content piece. This step is crucial as it allows you to visualize your workload and prioritize effectively. Next, you'll want to set due dates for each task. Click on a task, then click Schedule. Here you can set a specific date or use natural language input, like next Monday. The reason we do this is to give ourselves a clear timeline to follow, helping us to stay on track. Once your tasks have due dates, let's add labels. Click on a task, then click Add Label, and create labels like writing, editing, publishing. Labels help us categorize our tasks based on their status or type, making it easier for us to filter and search for tasks. Now, let me explain why this matters. Maintaining an editorial calendar in Todoist helps us to manage our content production in a systematic and organized manner. It gives us a bird's-eye view of our workflow, making it easier to plan, prioritize, and track the progress of our content pieces. The last step is to review your editorial calendar regularly. This helps us because it allows us to stay on top of deadlines, adjust our plans as needed, and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. So in summary, managing your editorial calendar in Todoist involves creating a new project, setting tasks with due dates, adding labels, and regular review. By following these steps, you can streamline your editorial workflow and ensure that your content production runs smoothly. That's it for today. Keep managing and keep hustling.